Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So what we're gonna make next on this episode is a Don Julio Paloma. Reason why I go with it as a Don Julio Paloma is because I got it off their website and that's what they called it and that's what we're using, so that's what we're making. So I want to make sure I do it as they say. And first thing is I'm gonna go with just half an ounce of lime juice. And then I'm going to go with an ounce and a half of some Don Julio Reposado. Just an ounce and a half. Last, to make it a Paloma, is you need grapefruit juice. So some go with a grape soda like squirt, but we're going to go with juice. And we're going to go with 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. So if you want the fizz, maybe you can add a little club soda to it. Or just use soda. So I'm going to give it a good stir. Got me a nice glass full of ice and the strainer. And there you have it, a Don Julio Paloma. Why do I think I'm saying it wrong? I probably am saying it wrong. So if I'm saying it wrong, my apologies. It's good. You know what it could probably use though? If you did the rim with like some Tajin, that may make it better. But it's a good solid drink. And Don Julio is a really good tequila. It's popular now. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.